Philips 4400 series fully automatic espresso machine is designed to bring quality coffee into your home with ease and convenience. This machine offers a wide array of the features aimed at enhancing your coffee making experience. Let's talk about the design and build. Sporting the sleek black and the chrome finish, the Philips 4400 adds a touch of modern elegance to any kitchen. Its compact design is thoughtfully engineered, featuring a front access water and also integrated milk system that minimizing its footprint. The user interface is intuitive, boasting a full-color TFT display surrounded by the clear, touch-sensitive drink icons for the effortless navigation. One of the standout aspects of this machine is versatility, offering 12 customized coffee, including espresso coffee, cappuccino, latte, macchiato, iced coffee, americano, and so on. Each drink can be tailored to your preference, allowing adjustment to coffee strength, volume, and the milk froth. The machine supports 2 user profiles plus a guest profile. At the heart of this Philips 4400 is a durable ceramic burr grinder with 12 grind settings, accommodating a range from this fine to coarse grind. Ceramic grinders are known for preventing overheating and preserving the coffee flavors. The aroma extract system intelligently balances brewing temperature and the aroma extraction, ensuring each cup is brewed between 195 and 210 degrees for optimal taste. The LatteGo milk system simplifies the preparation of milk-based beverages, compromising only 2 parts and no tubes. It can be cleaned in under 10 seconds under running water or in the dishwasher. Users have praised its ease of the use and the quality of the milk force produced. The Philips 4400 incorporates SilentBrew technology, which reduces operational noise by 40% compared to earlier models. This enhancement makes the coffee making process more pleasant, especially in quiet household environments. Additionally, the AquaClean filter purifies water and enables up to 5,000 cups. So in summary, why do you have to buy this product? It's because first, easy of use. Users appreciate the intuitive setup and operation, noting that the machine guides them through initial configuration seamlessly. And the second reason is customization. The ability to fine-tune drinks to individual taste and save this preference in users' profile is frequently commended. The Philips 4400 series fully automatic espresso machine stands out for its combination of versatility, user-friendly features, and thoughtful design. What do you think? I think this is a pretty good design, pretty good product for your kitchen. Please check this product out, and I will see you next time. Bye.